Hey guys, just gonna make a tutorial on how to change the hard drive in your PS3. I don't know how to do it in the fat, but I know how to do it in the slim and the super slim. This is a super slim tutorial. And this is for if you need to replace the hard drive or you're upgrading to a bigger size. Okay, so what you'll need is the PS3, obviously. You'll also need a drive, 2.5-inch SATA. I have a terabyte here, and I don't know where it says that on it, so I can't really show you, but this is a terabyte drive. And you will need a small Phillips screwdriver. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is pop this thing off. You just slide it that way, or whatever, it's forward, or the way that I'm doing it would be forwards. Okay. Okay, so you will need the screwdriver right now to unscrew this blue screw. Okay. Okay, once you have that screw out, put it somewhere where you will not lose it. Okay. And the next thing you have to do is you pull that, and then you should just be able to slide the whole thing out. And it's in a little like holder thing. This is a Hitachi, and it's only 250 gig. So you gotta take these 4 screws out. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know you guys don't want to watch me take 4 screws out and put 4 screws back in. So yeah, I'll be right back once I have the new hard drive in. All you gotta do is take this out, and you just gotta make sure you have it face up and with the screws for the bottom where you can put them in. And yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the 4 screws out, and I was gonna show you how to get it in there right. So here's the 250 gig, just gonna pop that out. And then here is my terabyte, face up. Just gonna slide it in there. And now I just gotta put the 4 screws in. Should fit the screw holes if you have it in there perfectly. Okay, and I will be back when I have the 4 screws in, and I'll show you how to put it back in. Okay guys, I have it all screwed in and stuff, so I'm just gonna show you how to put it back in, just to make sure you do it right. Okay. You just slide it back in there like that, and you push that down. And then you get the blue screw, and you gotta put it on there. And screw it in. Okay. And then you just gotta pop this back on. And I'm pretty sure I have that right. Okay. Okay, that's it. That's all you do to replace the hard drive in your PS3 Super Slim. I will see you guys next time. Subscribe, comment below. And thanks for watching. KHFan169.